Hello, welcome to Talk Excel with Raf. Today, I want to show you how you can use Excel and link with PowerPoint. How you can link Excel with PowerPoint. Now, looking at this data we have, this is one of the pivots we've worked on. One of the data we've analyzed using a pivot table. So having a pivot table here, and also having our slicer here, and also having our chart, our pivot chart displaying according to what we have on the slicer. Now I'll take you to PowerPoint. Now, you could be a salesperson, an audit, being audit, or perhaps you are into inventory and you want to give a presentation on PowerPoint. Perhaps you want to present your data as it is here on PowerPoint, and you want to keep reflecting all the information as they changes on the Excel straight down to the PowerPoint. So what do? We go straight, we open our PowerPoint, we start with a blank page. On this page, let me remove this, say delete, and also delete this. I need a blank page, delete. So what do? Now coming back to our Excel, down on our Excel, we copy this, say Ctrl C, go to PowerPoint and click on paste, then we say paste special. So once we click on paste special, we say paste, then I click on paste link, then I select the Excel objects and I say okay. As I say okay, this file is coming in as an image, was an object. Then I go back to my Excel and I highlight this data and copy, Ctrl C. Then we'll go back to PowerPoint and say paste special. Then we'll click again and click on Microsoft Excel worksheet object. That is why it's coming in as an object like this. Say okay. So you can see this. Now, for every changes we make on our Excel, it will reflect here on the PowerPoint. Now, what are we going to do? Permit me to share my screen into two and show you the Excel on one side and the PowerPoint on one side. Then we'll see the reflection as the changes affect them. So here, I'll do this. By the left side here is my PowerPoint, and at my right side is our Excel table. Now let me zoom the PowerPoint. Let's zoom in so we can see our information. Let's zoom in so we can see the data. Now, if I come to this Excel and say, okay, I want to format everything, number formats, and say, okay, number format should come in. There will be two decimal places and say, okay, then the way it changes here, the same way you're seeing the reflection right here. You can see. So we have this. Now, if we go by the slicers we have, now pay more attention on also our chart. Now, this slicer is saying that on this region, on the data we have here, it's a data presenting everything on this region, because this data has a region of the central region, the east region, the south region, and the west region. Now, if I say, okay, I want this information to give me, I want to get information as regards the central region alone. Then I click on central region, then you see what happens here. The information changes. So what I have as my grand total is 39,706.36, which my chart has also changed. Now look at your PowerPoint, the power with linking your Excel to PowerPoint. Now your PowerPoint is also reflecting what you have here. So if I say, okay, I want central region and east region. So what I did was click on central and also Control click on East region, and it gave me this figure, and the same figure is appearing here. The same way I can come and so I'm also selecting South region. Now you can see the chart is changing at the same time the the pivot table is also reflecting the information as we have them on Excel. It's also coming back to PowerPoint to reflect without correcting them on Excel and later going back to PowerPoint to do this. So the major reason for this, now let me clear this filter to get back all of the information. Now the major reason why we do this is the major reason why this is like this is to help you when presenting. The information you're provided on PowerPoint for your presentation can as well be same when you edit them on your Excel. And now I believe I've been able to help you modify the information from Excel direct to PowerPoint for you to move further on your presentation. So these are PowerPoint and these also are Excel. And these also are Excel. Yeah. And most time I know most of the time we've done videos for pivot table, how we came about this stuff and how you can as well answer or perhaps present a report in your offices as regards the presentation you have to do. Thank you very much and do have a nice